Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Dollar Influencer. My name is Larry, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $250 just by listening to music in 2021. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you're always in tune with the video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that I want you to do is that I want you to go on Chrome and type in playlist push. Once you've done that, you will get to this page. It says connecting artists to playlist creators. We help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators a way to discover new music. Now there are two categories that you can choose: the I release music or I own playlist. Obviously you do not make music, you want to make money, but I'm first going to run you through it. As it says, for artists, promote your music by submitting your songs to active playlist creators. Flex pricing, whether you make pop music or you do instrumentals. And then there's the getting picked up. That is just information for people who make music. That's why I'm just going through it very quickly, because that is not very important for this video. The important one is for creators. Discover some of the best up and coming artists and listen to them and help them and get paid to listen to their songs. And the best part about it is that you get to get rewarded. Earn money by listening and reviewing songs, and you get to discover new music. So I feel like it is the best option, because it is a good situation, because you are getting new music and you're getting paid for that. So after you've read through all of that, you can click on the become a creator. But first, let me give you through the statistics on our network. It says here we have the most active network of Spotify creators, and they measured the effectiveness of it. We have over 970 creators on our platform joining us every single day. All of our playlists combined have a total reach of 23 million listeners, and we have more than 5,000 successful campaigns. They've been mentioned in Fortune, Medium, and CD Baby. So that is a very good detailed description of what it does. So after you have read through all of that, I want you to go on become a creator. Now this is the most important part. Now what you need to do, guys, is that you need to make sure that you fill in your name, your email address, where you live, your mobile number, and your biggest playlist on Spotify. Now a lot of people may be wondering and asking me that they don't have Spotify playlists, they don't even know what that is. Do not worry about that, because I will be showing you how to do that in a quick minute. If you go click on the learn more option, you should be getting on this page where it says paid per review. You could earn up to $12 per song, you guys. Now I'm going to give you a step-by-step description on how you can get a Spotify playlist. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to create a Spotify account, and then you need to get followers. You can easily go buy followers on Spotify for very cheap, maybe $2, $3, very cheap depending on your budget range. Once you have bought a lot of followers, you create a playlist with that. There are multiple videos teaching people how to create playlists on Spotify. Once you have done that, you can easily get paid, because it does not really matter if people are listening to it. All it matters is how many people you have in your playlist, and it will show them that you are legit. And guys, honestly, if you follow all of those instructions, then you should definitely be fine. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Before you leave, make sure to comment something. The giveaway is still going down. If you understand the chance to win something very nice, I would think $1,000 is very nice. So if you understand the chance to win, make sure to comment something very nice in the comments, and you might be a lucky winner on the 26th of November. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.